A warm welcome to everyone attending this year's MACH conference. I'm sorry that I can't attend in person today, but I wanted to send this message of support. I spent most of my career in engineering, so I know how important manufacturing is to our identity and our economy. MACH, as a showcase of the best of manufacturing technologies, makes that point crystal clear. I'm sure you're all as grateful as I am to the MTA, whose expertise, insight and efforts make this event what it is. For the government's part, we want to place our manufacturing sector at the forefront of our growth mission. As Minister for Industry, I want to increase the UK's productive capacity. I want to grow our manufacturing output so it makes a real impact on our economy and on people's quality of life. To achieve this goal, we're helping firms to harness AI, robotics and the tools shaping global manufacturing. We're rolling out new robotics and automation adoption hubs. They're giving businesses of all sizes access to expert advice, live demonstrations and hands-on support. Our new AI adoption hubs will work on the exact same principles. The savings in time and labour which this technology can realise for the machinery sector are significant. For this reason, I want to break down the barriers to its adoption. I recently appointed Professor Chris McDonald as the UK's first AI champion for manufacturing. He'll be helping us to better understand the barriers for manufacturers right now and how we can work together with industry on removing them. Another key focus for me is skills. One of the reasons I became involved in politics was to give more young people the opportunity to achieve their potential. We need a strong pipeline of talent for the future, so MACH's commitment to bringing more young people into the industry is very encouraging to see. Here again, government is keen to help. We're funding short courses through the Growth and Skills Levy while setting up new specialist technical colleges. We're introducing new V-levels to expand vocational routes for young people. We're also expanding the Youth Jobs Guarantee. This means offering grants to businesses hiring young people and providing more incentives to hire apprentices. The final theme I want to touch on is resilience. I want you to know that as a government we'll do everything we can to shield businesses from the impact of the conflict in Iran. We'll continue creating the right conditions for manufacturers to succeed in the short and long term. We recognise that our national interest requires closer partnership with our allies in Europe. And that's why we've confirmed that CE recognition will continue in Great Britain so that these products can still be sold domestically. We've also confirmed that our supply of machinery safety regulations will be updated to align with EU measures and tailored for the British market. Despite ongoing global challenges, the UK machinery sector remains a powerhouse of innovation and productivity. MACH is clear proof of that strength, and the government is acting to ensure that this industry continues to grow now and for many years to come. Thank you, and I wish you all an enjoyable week.